In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a star in Adobe Illustrator step by step. Whether you're designing a logo, an icon, a badge, or just experimenting with shapes, knowing how to properly use the star tool gives you full control over the number of points and the overall look of your design. The best part is that it's incredibly simple once you know where to find the settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, or open any existing project where you'd like to add your star. Once you're inside your workspace, go over to the left-hand toolbar. Look for the Rectangle tool. If you click and hold on the Rectangle tool, you'll see a flyout menu with additional shape options. From that list, select the Star tool. It's grouped together with the other shape tools, so if you don't see it immediately, just click and hold until the full list appears. Now that you've selected the Star tool, move your cursor over to your artboard. To create a star, simply click and drag on the artboard. As you drag, you'll see the star shape begin to form in real time. At this stage, you can control the overall size by dragging outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. Here's where it gets really powerful. While you're still holding down your mouse button and dragging, press the up arrow key on your keyboard. Each time you press the up arrow, Illustrator will add more points to your star. This allows you to quickly create anything from a traditional 5-point star to a more complex burst shape with many points. If you add too many points and want to reduce them, simply press the down arrow key while still holding the mouse button. Each press of the down arrow will remove 1 point from the star. This gives you complete flexibility to customize the number of points before you even release the shape onto the artboard. Take your time here and experiment. Try increasing the points to create a sunburst effect, then decrease them to return to a classic star shape. The key thing to remember is that the up and down arrow controls only work while you are actively dragging the shape. Once you release the mouse, the number of points is set unless you edit it later through the Properties panel. When the star looks exactly the way you want it, go ahead and release the mouse button. Your star is now created. From here, you can further customize it just like any other shape in Illustrator. You can change the fill color by selecting the star and choosing a new color from the Swatches panel. You can also adjust the stroke color and stroke weight to give it an outline or make it bolder. If you want even more precision, you can click once on the artboard with the star tool instead of dragging. This opens a dialog box where you can manually enter the radius and the exact number of points. That's useful when you need a very specific design measurement for branding or print projects. Creating stars in Illustrator is quick, flexible, and fully customizable once you understand these simple keyboard shortcuts. Just remember, select the Star tool under the Rectangle tool, click and drag to draw, press the up arrow to add more points, press the down arrow to reduce points, and release the mouse when you're happy with the result. And that's it. You now know how to create a star in Illustrator the easy way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.